example first. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem. Given function is log x in the interval 1 and e. So solution, we have given function f of x is equals to log x. First condition, we have to take continuity. Now, given region is positive region and we know that log function is continuous in positive region. Therefore, given function f of x is logarithmic function, and we know that log function is continuous for all positive real values. Therefore, given function is continuous. Second condition, we have to check for differentiability. Our given function is log x, so differentiate this with respect to x. So what is differentiation?
1 upon x.
Yes. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So check whether any value present in our given region 1 comma e, where this f dash of becomes infinite. This becomes infinity only for x is equals to 0, and that x is equals to 0 not belongs to our given interval. F dash of x becomes infinity becomes infinite only for x is equals to 0, and that x is equals to 0 not belongs to our open interval 1 comma e. Okay. Therefore, f of x is differentiable in open interval 1 comma e. Both conditions are verified. Okay. All conditions of LMVT are verified. Therefore, according to LMVT, there exists C belongs to 1 comma e such that f of c is equals to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. So what is value of b and a here? In given interval, a is 1, b is e. So according to that, f of e minus f of 1 divided by e minus 1. Okay. फंक्शन क्या है हमारा? फंक्शन is log x. So what is value of f of e? f of e की वैल्यू क्या है बताओ?
log e.
Log
Yes, log e. f of 1.
log 1 0.
log 1.
Yes, log 1 और 0 होता है e minus 1. Left hand side f dash of c.
1 upon c.
1 by
1 upon c. Okay, so we have to find value of c. So this is 1 upon c. Log e divided by e minus 1. I think you know what value of log e.
1.
Yes, it is 1. So log and e are reciprocals of each other. Okay. So this is c is equals to e minus 1 So this is belongs to 1 minus e. Hence Lagrange's mean value theorem is valid. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
डायरेक्टली मैंने यहाँ पे e minus 1 belongs to 1 comma e कैसे लिखा?
Sir, E minus 1
वो लाइज करता है.
Yes, lies करता है. Why it is lies in this 1 comma e? Because value of e is
2.718.
yes 2.718 and e minus 1 1 minus 718 आता है और वो वहां पे लाई करता है. ठीक है.